Quilt Nation, Quilt Marine here. So when we last left off on the Joint Forces quilt, we're cutting triangles, right? And I tried to explain how I put them together, how I match them up, and I think I can cover that a little bit better on this video. So let's go to the machine. Okay, so like how I described before, so we have flat edge, right? Two flat edges. I don't match up to two flat edges. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this flat edge on this corner here. Hopefully you can see that. I hope you guys can see that. Try to match it up here. And then we're going to run a 1/4 inch seam from that flat edge corner, all right? Okay, so then we're going to open it up. And as you can see, the flat edge is aligned with my straight edge here. And I just keep on going. So now I have another sharp edge here. So I'm going to grab a flat edge here, match that up down low here. Okay, now you can still do this. You still accomplish this with pointy edges. It's no worries. But this helps my Marine Corps brain stay aligned and stay on point. Okay, so now that I'm lined up on the bottom, look how these tips match up perfectly up here. Okay, I'm still going to start my 1/4 inch seam correctly. And yeah, I don't backstitch because that's how, you know, I'm not confident enough to backstitch on something like this. Okay, so we're just going to keep on going. See how it's staying aligned? All right, it's just how, I don't know, it just keeps me where I need to be. All right, because without it, then this thing would be making turns, and I've been through there. I've been on that road where the bend in the strip has been out of control. All right, so let's keep going this way. All right, so let's keep going this way. I'm gonna line this up here. I'm hoping that you can see that. So I'm really just pushing the flat edge all the way out until everything's aligned on either side, right? See that? Okay, let's put a 1/4 inch seam here. Open that up. Let's keep going. All right, so we got a strip here. All right, it's not full length, but just to get you some context of the process that I do, okay? All right, we're not gonna be doing dog ear removal today, okay? So we're just gonna roll this thing over, all right? Seams are pressed, so now we're gonna roll it over. That thing looks pretty good, right? It looks pretty good. All right, so next time we see this, we'll put it on the wall. This is one of many we've got to do. I think there's 13 of these. We'll put it on the wall and we'll take a look at it, okay? So remember, when you're building these, all right, from the book, you should start one row from the bottom going towards the top. The next row you should start from the top going to the bottom, and that's going to prevent you from having all of the strips having a curve in it, okay? One's on a curve towards the other, okay? But no worries, even if you went that way, it's easy to fix, okay? We'll cover that. All right, so we have our strip that we just pressed. All right, so we're gonna put this on here. No worries. All right, so this is it. This is what we get. All right, this is the Joint Forces quilt. All right, in 3D, I guess. It's coming together. All right, so as you can see, there's a little bend in my strips, but no worries. All right, don't freak out about it. It's okay. Because, and the reason why the bend is there is because I was putting my triangles together going in from the bottom up. So it's a natural bend. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press each strip, you know, press it out, make it straight as possible. But the way you fix it is, so I'm going to sew in the opposite direction. I'm going to go in the opposite direction in which I put my triangles, okay? And that will straighten them back out. But no worries, all right? Don't freak out about it. It's not a big deal. When the final product is done, it's gone. It won't even be noticeable at all, okay? So, this is it, all right? So what we're going to do next is we're going to start putting our single strips together in pairs, all right? We're going to do some nesting like eagles. So we're going to bring it to the table, and we'll nest like eagles, and we'll start getting this thing together so we can square it off so we can put our border and sash on there, okay? The Air Force is not getting a great preview here. They'll go out to the border, all right? No worries. But this is it. Joint Forces Quilt Preview. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.